In today's video, I'll show you how to change the color of your folders on Mac. This is a really simple trick that helps you stay organized and makes your desktop look more personalized. Let's get started. First, find the folder you want to customize. Right-click on it and choose Get Info. A new window will appear with all the details about that folder. The very top of this window, you'll see a small folder thumbnail. Click on it once so it's highlighted and then press Command+C to copy it. Next, open the Preview app. From the menu bar, go to File, then select New from Clipboard. This will open the folder icon you just copied. Now comes the fun part. Go to the Tools menu and click on Adjust Color. A panel will appear with different sliders. Here you can adjust the hue, brightness, saturation, and more. Play around with these until you find the perfect color for your folder. Once you've chosen the look you like, press Command+C again to copy the modified image. Go back to the Get Info window, click the folder thumbnail one more time and press Command+V to paste your new design. And just like that, your folder instantly updates with the color you picked. That's it for today's tutorial. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out my other Mac tips to customize your computer even more.